Hello everyone, hello all the crypto and DeFi fans, and welcome to the channel. Today we are gonna review the first initial farm offering on Polycat Finance, which is called Augury Finance. And basically, if you want to find the details about it, you go to the main page Polycat Finance, where you can farm. It's one of the biggest farms, if not the biggest on Polygon now. You go here to the IFO section, and here you'll find the details about Augury Finance. So let's go through it right now, but we'll do more analysis soon, okay? So Augury Finance is a decentralized finance DeFi ecosystem which offers complete control over your financial assets. Through Augury Finance's flagship line of products, users can swap, farm, invest in new projects, collect airdrops, predict the future, and more, or from a single location. As a Omen token holder, because this initial farm offering is to acquire Omen, you earn on every interaction within the system. All of the Augury Finance products work with each other to provide the best value for Omen token holders. Launch time is June 9th, 3 AM UTC. For sale is 670,000 Omen. To raise is $2,010,000, and fish to burn 5,000. Okay, we will go to the website in a minute, but how to take part in this initial farm offering. So before sale, what you need to do, you need to buy fish and USDC. And when the sale is active, when it's live, you commit your fish and use this USDC to buy the IFO tokens. USDC will be used to buy the token, while fish will be burned. And after sale, you can claim the tokens you purchase along with any unspent funds, if there are any. Done, that's it, okay? So let's go to the project site. You go from here, okay? Here is coming soon, so it will be live after the sale. You can read more about Augury Finance in the Medium article, okay? So let's see the future. All roads lead to Polygon. Decentralized finance space is littered with scams, unsupported projects, unresponsive teams, and rug pulls. Witnessing this, we knew that we could create something more virtuous, where innovation thrives and investors emerge vicarious of the platform, evolves along with the on-chain solutions. So, in order to capture this opportunity, they built a team of industry experts. Their team is a combination of engineers, and they've seen a few things. The combined experience of the Augury Finance engineering team spans over 100 years. They selected Polygon Matic as the home for Augury Finance, as our long-term roadmap leads to us working across chains and across providers to offer sustainable DeFi products which can be accessed in a frictionless manner. So why Augury Finance? It is a decentralized financial ecosystem on the Polygon Matic blockchain, focused on trust, community ownership, and sustainable returns. Out of the gate, Augury Finance aims to offer the following features. Swapping capabilities, so you can trade your tokens with Augury Finance. Pooling, so yield farming, provide liquidity here to earn incentives within the Augury Finance platform. Portals, so more yield farming, they will offer vaults for long-term storage of your coins. Gamification, so coming shortly after their launch, they've created one game that will instantly reward anybody if you are able to correctly predict the future of how a coin will perform. Governance and ownership. This is a community project, so their goal is to allow to vote that are important to you. These things include, but not limited to, fees on the platform, how to use the community pot of Omen tokens, potential token burns, and new features which we may add in the future. Augury Cauldron, so Augury Finance wants to help launch new products within the Polygon Matic ecosystem. Their platform can make the economic works for well-targeted programs within the Polygon space. Our model would help new teams get funded to launch their products while building out larger Matic ecosystem. There is so much more coming, like cross-chain integrations, user community growth, additional gamification, NFTs, and more. So if you're tired of being worried about the rug pull or an exploit, if you want to invest in a professional team, then come check us out. There are socials, they have light paper as well. So mostly this is the same information we just gone through, but we will read this Omen token uses an acquisition. So as the let's zoom it. As the Augury Finance Omen token is a governance token, holding Omen token gives you the ability to vote on proposals within the Augury Finance ecosystem. Additionally, the Omen token controls how the treasury income that is created through the ecosystem, through products listed in section 1 above, gas spent. The Omen can only be acquired through interactions on the Augury Finance platform. The primary mechanism for earning Omen tokens is through the use of Augury pools and staking features. Okay, so like I said, they have 6 engineers. Platform is fast, secure, scalable, and reliable. Team is anonymous. It has KYC on file with the companies which it engages for professional services. Okay, so I'm not a financial advisor, and none of this is investment advice. The opinions and statements expressed in the report are factual to the best of our knowledge, but should not be relied upon for accounting, legal, or tax advice. Consult with your local authorities and conduct your own due diligence before making any investment decisions. Okay, so there's more information about public sale. We will go once again through it. So sale time Wednesday. Price per token will be 3 USDC, and on Sunday, June 13th, Augury Finance will go live. In order to participate, you need to go to the section on the Polycat Finance, like I showed you before. You can find more or ask questions. Then you need to go to Polycat Finance Telegram group. So let's go through this, because here we have some screens. So like I said, it's a decentralized financial ecosystem on the Polygon. They've partnered for Augury Swapper. They've partnered with Paraswap to offer a single experience and access the best swapping rates, the most liquidity across the entire industry. And we will talk more about the liquidity problems that usually people have and why Augury is better in this way. Okay, so you can go to Paraswap to learn more. You can see their official announcement on Twitter. Okay, here it is. Okay, so Augury Airmail provides airdrops to Omen token holders. By staking Omen, you'll be eligible to receive Airmail. The first Airmail token is planned to be released within 4 weeks of launch. You'll be able to earn more Airmail tokens by pulling your airdrops. Portals, like I said, the yield farming, staking, predictions, and gamification. This one is very interesting. Look, guys, it's slated for Q3. They created the game that instantly rewards you if you're able to correctly predict the future of how a coin will perform. So something like futures trading. So yeah, that's very interesting, and potentially you can earn this way as well. So governance and ownership, as this is a community platform, over time it is their goal to vote on things. Like I said, fees on the platform, how to use the community pot of Omen tokens. So Omen is built as a governance token that will be fully governed by community. Augury Cauldron, like we said, but here you can see an example screenshot of how it will look like. Augury Sentry is our innovative monitoring tool within the Augury ecosystem that will be available through Augury Finance platform. For many investors, searching a blockchain to discover what's happening to a set of contracts can be time-consuming and difficult. So if you don't know what you're looking at, this task can be even more frustrating. Sentry is a way to providing transparency on any large transactions that occur, so that both technical and non-technical users can easily understand what is occurring within the contracts that Augury controls. And as this is a community platform, it's important to be aware when things are happening behind the scenes. More coming, like cross-chain integrations, user community growth, additional gamification, NFTs, and more. Don't forget to check our roadmap. So we will look at the roadmap in a minute. So entire ecosystem works together to bring the most value to you, to investors. Okay, in the future, how will Augury work with Polycat? It will build bridges between DeFi products and communities. They are proud to say to have this launch partners, Polycat and Paraswap, but they are just getting started. They will continue to push the boundaries of innovation and to scale across other blockchains. between their partnerships and their platform, Augury Finance is offering real value from day one. So they have Discord, they have Twitter. We will take a look at Twitter, and they have Telegram as well, when you can ask questions, connect with them. Okay, so let's take a look at their Twitter. So they have 89 tweets by now, almost 2,000 observers. Okay, so yeah, all the news are here. You can find the news if you want to be updated frequently. Twitter will be one of the best places to go to search for information, news that they have about their developments. Okay, let's take a look about this Medium article about liquidity problems but Augury Finance has none. So decentralized finance is all about liquidity. The more liquidity you have, the better your system can perform. For many of you, the story is familiar. You can join a new product that has its own DEX, decentralized exchange, but then if you try to make a swap, you see something like this. This trade is below the current Matic price. Okay. The problem with the image above is that at the time of this writing, Matic is currently trading for $1.92, so almost $2, which means that you're losing 80 cents if you make this trade using the new DEX project that you found. This problem happens with many DEXs that do not have enough liquidity to support their trades. If a project has a limited amount of liquidity, it becomes difficult to make swaps, so it makes no sense. This means that the customer will get a bad deal, okay? With Augury Finance, these problems do not exist. In fact, at Augury Finance, we can support hundreds of millions of dollars in transactions with almost zero slippage. We believe that people deserve the best possible rates when making a swap, should not lose money, it should work in their favor. So they built their Augury swapper in such a way that nearly guarantees that you will get the best deals when swapping tokens. Additionally, as an Omen token holder, you get an even better deal, as part of the money that they collect on the swap goes back into buybacks and token burns. This means that you are always making money when you make a swap with Augury Finance. And this is just another example of how Augury Finance is helping to improve DeFi. Before you make the next trade, please come check there out and compare rates. You may be surprised at what you will find. They are launching soon, like I said, so in the meantime, you can read the articles to get more knowledge. And let's look at their roadmap to finish up, to sum it up. So as they're preparing to launch, they shared our roadmap, their roadmap with us. Okay, so coming very soon, Augury Finance will launch on the Polygon mainnet, Augury Ambassador Program, then Q2 items by the end of the June, Augury Cauldron, Mole Pools, and staking for you to earn yields. Q3, which is from July to September, Augury Airmail, meaningful governance, cross-chain integrations, Augury Marketplace when NFTs and collectibles, Augury Predictions, Prob Bets. Q4, October to December, expanded partnerships and new products. As always, you just feel free to contact them on one of their social media like Discord, Twitter, and Telegram. Okay, so I think this is a very good project, and you can join early using this initial farm offering to get the best deal, to be an early adopter, and probably it will be very good because, as you can see, the project is very solid. It has some innovative stuff coming in. I really like it. So please, guys, take a look at it. Thank you for watching this movie and see you soon on another video. Bye, guys.